Hello students, welcome back to Max class. Today we are going to start our second part of chapter 12. Mingo puts her 50 ladoos equally into 5 boxes. How many ladoos will there be in each group? Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In one group, how many ladoos are there? 1, 2, 3. In one box, there is 3 ladoos are there. Then that means 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. There will be 3 ladoos in each box. That means 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. If she uses only 3 boxes, then how many ladoos will be there in each box? There will be 5 ladoos in each box. That means 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. That means 3 5s are 15. Then 5 ladoos in each box. Share 25 bananas among 5 monkeys. How many bananas for each monkeys? That means 5 5s are 25. And in each group, how many bananas are coming? 5 bananas. First group, second group, third group, fourth group and fifth group. In one group, how many bananas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. That means 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Then one monkey getting 5 bananas. Each monkey has 5 bananas. Share 12 balloons among 3 boys. How many balloons for each boy? That means 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. That means 4 3s are 12. Then how many balloons are getting one boy? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons are getting. This is first group, second group and third group. That means 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Each boy has 4 balloons. There are 21 candles. Put them equally in 3 boxes. How many candles are in each group box? That means 25 divided by 3. 3 का table में 21 how many times are coming here? 3 7s are 21. Then how many candles are in each box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many candles are coming in one box? 7. That means 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. There are 18 socks. How many girls can wear these socks? That means one pair of socks. One pair of socks कितना है? 2. Then total how many socks are there? 18. That means 18 divided by 2. That means 18 divided by 2. 2 का table में 18 how many times coming? 9 times. 2 9s are 18s. Then how many girls are there? 9 girls are there. One pair of socks is equal to 2. Number of socks 18. Then total number of girls 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. Raj has 36 minutes to make rotis. One roti takes 3 minutes. How many rotis can he make in this time? And Raj has taken how many minutes total? 36 minutes. And one roti he need 3 minutes. That means 36 divided by 3. 3 का टेबल में 3 how many time? 1 time. 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 6 down. 3 का टेबल में 6 how many time? 2 time. 3 twos are 6. That means how many roti he making? 12 rotis. These are 24 footmarks of goats. So how many goats were there? Then total number of footmarks 24. And each goat has how many legs? 4 legs. Then 24 divided by 4. 4 6 are 24. Then number of goats is equal to 6. Some girls are playing a game with both their hands. The girls who are playing have 60 fingers altogether. How many girls are playing in this game? Then number of fingers is equal to 60. And each girl will have 10 fingers. Then 60 divided by 10. 10 का टेबल में 60 कितना टाइम आता है? 6 टाइम. 10 6 are 60. Then answer is 6. Then number of girls is equal to 6. Lakshmi has 27 kg potatoes to sell. 3 men came and bought equal amount of potatoes. And each man bought dash kg of potatoes. And Lakshmi have how many kilo of potatoes? 27. How many men are came there? 3 men are. Then that means 27 divided by 3. 3 का टेबल में 27 कितना टाइम होता है? 3 9s are 27. Then each man bought how many kilogram of potatoes? 9 kilogram of potatoes. Jumpy animals. A frog jumps 2 steps at a time. A frog jumps how many steps? 2 steps. A squirrel jumps 3 steps. And a rabbit jumps 5 steps. A horse jumps 50 jumps. A kangaroo jumps 30 steps. Use the path on the next page to find out in how many jumps will frog reach 30. Then frog jump how many steps at a time? 2 steps. Then 30 में रीच करने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा? 30 डिवाइड बाय 2. 2 का टेबल में 3 कितना टाइम होता है? 1 टाइम. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 1 and 0 here. 2 का टेबल में 10 कितना टाइम होता है? 5 टाइम. 2 5s are 10. Then how many jumps will the frog reach 30? 50 jumps. In how many jumps will squirrel reach 27? Squirrel jump 3 steps in one time. How many steps? 3 steps. Then 27 time 27 divided by 3. 3 का टेबल में 27 कितना टाइम होता है? 3 9s are 27. Then how many jumps will the squirrel reach 27? 9. Which number will the kangaroo reach in 2 jumps? Kangaroo 2 jumps करने के लिए 30 steps है. 1 jump. Then 2 steps आने के लिए कितना होता है? 30 into 2. 3 2s are 6 0. Then 60 jumps. Who will meet at the number of 15? Squirrel. Squirrel का कितना होता है? Squirrel 3. 3 is the divisor of 15. That means 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. Then how many? 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Next who is there? Look here. Rabbit 5. 5 also divisor of 15. 5 का table 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and 5 threes are 15. Then how many? 5, 10, 15. And the next one horse. Horse one also 15 only. That 15 ones are 15. 15 ones are 15. Then who are there? Squirrel, rabbit and a horse. How many times squirrels? 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Rabbit 0, 5, 10, 15. Horse 0, 15, 13. Will the rabbit ever be at the number of 18? rabbit कभी भी 18 का नंबर में आता है. देखो rabbit कितना होता है? 5. 5 का टेबल में 18 होता है. See the table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15 and 5 fours are 20. 5 का टेबल में 18 होता है ना. 5, 10, 15. 15 के बाद में कितना होता है? 20. So it is no. How many jumps of rabbit equal 1 jump of horse? rabbit का कितना होता है? 15 and jump horse का 15 and rabbit का 5. Then 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. How many jumps of the horse equal to 2 jumps of kangaroo? kangaroo का कितना होता है? kangaroo 3, 30. 30 into 2, 60. And horse 15. Then 60 divided by 15. 15 का टेबल में how many times 16 कहीं? 4 5s are 20, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 6. Then 4. How many times coming? 4. Which is the smallest number where the frog and squirrel will meet? Frog 0, 2 का divisible 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Squirrel is the divisor of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. Here which is the common number? 6. Then both are meeting in 6 number. Divide into groups of 2 using 2 times table. Here 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. That means 2 9s are 18. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. That means 2 8s are 16. 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. That means 2 10s are 20. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. That means 2 7s are 14. 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. That means 2 10s are 20. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. That means 2 4s are 8. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 5. 2 5s are 10. Divide into groups of 5 using 5 times table. Here 10 divided by 4. 5 2s are 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 5 4s are 20. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. That means 5 3s are 15. 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. That means 5 8s are 40. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. That means 5 4s are 20. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. That means 5 6 are 30. Next table of 10. 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. That means 10 2s are 20. 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3. That means 10 3s are 30. 40 divided by 10 is equal to 4. That means 10 4s are 40. 50 divided by 10 is equal to 5. That means 10 5s are 50. Try this. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Then 2 2s are 4. 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. That means 7 2s are 14. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. That means 3 2s are 6. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. Then 2 sevens are 14. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. That means 2 threes are 6. 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. That means 9 twos are 18. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. That means 2 fives are 10. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. That means 5 fours are 20. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. That means 4 threes are 12. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. That means 4 fives are 20. You also practice this sum. Divide the clock face into 3 parts so that the sum of the numbers in each part is the same. First one is given here. This is first one. Which are the number there? 11, 12, 1, 2. What is the sum of this number? 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 1 plus 1, 2. Then what is the sum? 26. Then next one number, which is the next one number? This is the next one. Which are the number? 10, 9, 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 9, 16. 16 the 6, 1 upper. 1 plus 1, 2. Then sum is 26. And the last one, which is the last one? This one is the last one. 8, 7, 6, 5. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 18, 8, 26. Then what is the sum? 26, 26, 26. These all are equal. Okay students, in this chapter we learned the divisions. I think you all understand this lesson. Thank you.